Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you does Autopilot app work outside of US? So let's get started. So basically, first of all, let's see from Play Store. So if I search for the Autopilot app, I am in Indian net. So here we can see, if you see for Autopilot investment app, you can see here. So it is not available in this region. Okay, so we can't use it. So if you open this app, I have installed the APK. If you click on login and sign in, you can't, because they ask you for your only US numbers. So by the way, you cannot use the app outside of US. So this is the conclusion. And if you have any questions related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.